Welcome to this, our chandelier light installation video. In this video, we're going to show you really how easy it is to install this beautiful light in your own home. I'm here at the factory floor, so please excuse me if you hear a lot of background noise. There's a lot going on, but the guys here have agreed to show us how easy it is, and as you'll notice, it's very well packed so that when it gets delivered to your home, everything's in place, nothing's broken. Installation guide is very easy because, well, it's a very simple installation process, which probably take you, well, as you'll see, these guys do it in 3 minutes. For you, maybe about, if you've never done it before, maybe about 10. And, well, the finished product speaks for itself. So here we are, we've got the threading of the wire, and they're placing everything. Finding a good open area to work with is essential. Laying everything out, okay, and they're getting ready to hang it up shortly for the installation of all the crystals and the gems that go on it. And you've got these arc-shaped bent lamp arms being installed one at a time here. And I hope that you can hear me well. There's a lot of ambient background noise going on. And the wire cores, each lamp arm separately in 2 groups, and it really looks a little bit more complicated than it really is. They've got it hung up now, and the key here is to install the chandelier light, make sure it works first, and then thereafter you make sure it works better with all the accessories and the decorations and the trimmings. And I think that's what, for most people, it seems so daunting of a task. My goodness, how do I put this thing together? There's so many moving parts. Well, no. It's the most difficult part is really the electrical part, and that's a core that you thread through, and you basically plug it in to make it work, and thereafter all the frilly parts, which really don't have anything to do with lighting up the bulbs themselves, you can take your time with those. So it's really 2-part process where the difficult part really takes, about 2-3 minutes, and the simple part takes a little bit longer, so it all works out. And as you can see here, we're hanging all the crystals and the jewels, and well, there you have it, folks. And thank you very much for watching this video. As you can see, it's really easy to install this particular chandelier light, and it'll look lovely in your home for inviting guests, and the entire ambience of it, something definitely worth getting.